Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝘀𝗵𝗱𝗶𝗴 back again with another YouTube video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝘀𝗵𝗱𝗶𝗴 back again with another YouTube video. Okay guys, so today we're going to do a daily vlog. So I'm just going to show y'all what I do in a day. Today's going to be productive because I have like a few things I need to get done. Like I think I'm going to go reading or some shit like that. So now I'm about to make breakfast and like let's see how the day goes from there. If there's anything I'm about to do, I'll let y'all know before I do it. Ooh, girl, what is this? Ooh, I got some packages. Let me check this thing inside, girl. I ain't even know, bitch. Okay guys, so I'm going to start unboxing the things. So I'm only going to unbox this brown box because the other two pink ones I already know what's inside them, and this brown one I ordered it a while ago and I don't remember what's inside it. So let's see what's inside. Oh, yo, I got my vacuum cleaner. Purr. Let me do my little dancey dance.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Okay, y'all, this is the end of the video. I'm about to go to sleep. Let me drop my vacuum cleaner. Purr. And y'all stay tuned for my next video. Peace out and bye.